Alright, so we got a saw, Black & Decker, and we don't know if it works. Perfect. Let's go.
What do you mean, let's go?
It's your saw.
I don't even know how to make this thing work.
Stick this in there. Where'd you get it from?
One of my friends gave it to me, actually.
Oh, a gift. That means it's no good. So if you pull on this, it might open it up to put a blade in it.
Which way does the blade go?
I'm thinking that's a good way. Okay, has it got multiple speeds on it, or just one? Or
Nope. Pull and
push? Okay, let's go see what happens.
Pull and pray.
There's a cord.
Oh, there was a blade in here. Oh, it wasn't long enough.
There's a cord. Should be enough. Yeah, give it one more right if you want. If you think we need more, I'll pull another one off. I think you're backwards. Much better that way. Alright. So you go on how many turns?
4.
4. Right there. Get around
Here, no, you cut this. I don't want to cut this.
So make sure this butts up against the cylinder here. Go straight down and don't cut my damn...
Right, that's why you
cut
cut
my
this.
leg. Just cut. Go for it. See what happens. Push all the way against the thing. There you go.
This is unsafe.
It's a hell of a lot safer than anything else because it's all being held rigid. Just hit the button. See what happens. Is it all one speed?
Yeah.
Is it cutting?
Yeah. Slowly. Yep, that's it.
Yeah, keep going.
Oh, I'll tell you this.
Come down a little bit angle like that and you cut just this corner and you work your way back and forth. Turn it on, go. Can't even see it yet.
Yeah. Okay. I'm assuming you left me enough room.
You went through the hole, obviously, but you haven't got into the big hole yet. Let's go to the different corner. Are you showing going through yet?
Barely.
Feel it.
No, then that's a dowel hole.
Yeah, you're in a hole there. I wonder if you're even, maybe not deep enough. That should be deep enough, but it's...
No, that's a dowel hole.
Yeah. Okay, let's pop the corner open.
This?
Yeah, go that way with it.
Oh.
Take that little lever over there and pull it up on it. Go that direction. Okay, let me rotate it over a little bit. Okay, pull it back to where it was. Toward me.
Yeah.
That locks it. No, gotta get all the way in.
No, I gotta come back.
There you go. Now you're in there. Okay.
No, I'm not in there yet.
You're in.
There it
Okay.
is.
Okay, now start here and do another hole. Just do all 4 corners at a time. That way we're working down. It should be not deep enough in cast iron, but maybe I didn't go far enough with the boring bar. You never know. You got number 4?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. this in. Just go down. Just cut this corner.
Well, the farther I come down, the more it pushes me up this way.
Yeah, well, it's
the
because
shape of the cylinder.
yeah, I'm trying to cut the heavy part away, and we'll come back and do the thin parts last.
Oh.
I don't think we're. It looks like yours should be in aluminum, but I don't see it.
I don't see it.
Let's rotate this to the next corner. It's thicker than we thought it was. All right, undo me over there. Okay, in this area here, lock it down. Okay, next one.
Yeah, this thing is thick. Killing my life.
Your arm's getting tired?
I'm jiggling around like no tomorrow. This is, man.
It's like manual labor here.
This is not an exhaust here.
I'll give you a hacksaw to go with that.
No.
Okay, you good with that one? You'll go to the next one.
A gets down past that. A gets right past the hole. Then that's when it's like no.
It might be on steel.
And it gets right past the hole, and then that's when it's like no.
No, I can see the mark here. You are not on steel. There's the mark. You're almost through on that one.
Oh man.
Okay, go to the next one.
This is killing me, Tatro.
Poor thing. Gonna work out. All right, that's the last corner. Then you got to start. Then you got to really go all the way through now.
Yeah.
You fell through.
My life is jiggling.
Nope, you're not there
Oh,
yet.
I know I'm not.
Is that
I
blade
can tell.
dull? Is that blade any good? Where'd you get that blade from?
Man,
What? What's wrong?
this Home Depot crap sucks.
Your pussy arms are getting tired?
Yeah, that too.
Just think of those good material you're cutting.
Jiggling 10,000 miles an hour, it feels
Just
like.
think if you had to cut through the cast iron. We'd be here all night.
We would. We would.
Chips are coming out. I'm watching them.
I'm through.
Finally, you got through?
Fuck.
Where? Oh, there's a blade in there.
Yeah.
There you go. Well, don't dig the tip in there.
Well, I can't. I gotta spin. Ooh, man. It took a lot of force to get through there.
Okay, let's rotate it backwards. That way the tip won't dig in, but the back will be clearanced.
Ooh, man. Oh, I gotta go all the way over there.
Right there. Where you cut? Oh, you cut all the way over here. Okay.
What?
Right there. Yeah, you got it. You cut all the way through.
Ooh.
You're on the home stretch. Come on.
This is not home stretch. Home stretch is the drilling and tapping.
Yeah, that's for tomorrow.
I've just learned that.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Got a lot of material.
Yeah.
Oh, you quit screwing around. Got through the damn thing. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
You're playing around all day. Let's go. Get it done. You're halfway around.
This is not healthy.
Ah, little manual labor. You could have used a hacksaw, I'm telling you.
I could have used a grinder too.
Well, you don't have a grinder.
We could have grinded the fins off and
Could have broke the things off with a hammer.
that too.
There you go. Did you go through yet?
I don't know. I don't believe this edge is gonna allow me to get over there. Oh, it's almost there, but
Did it go down or are you all center? I think you're all center. You have to push it through.
yeah, but
It's got to cut through.
I don't know if I can pull back far enough without the tip going.
Yeah, you're
through.
all right. Keep going.
All right. Send it.
I cut my jams. Cutting my lathe. Are you nicking my lathe?
No. Maybe a little bit.
You're off center a little bit. Yeah. Where's the other one at? Right there on top. Right there.
There was no center. You said stay up against the fin. I stayed up against the
There you
fin.
go. I'm screwing my damn lathe now. It's dangerous.
Yeah, you might want to put something under here to catch this.
Well, I didn't think you were going to jam my damn lathe with your cutter there. Okay, go for it.
Tatro, is this OSHA approved?
Yes, I'm holding on to it. It's got to be OSHA approved. Don't dig in like that. Just keep it up there. Don't force it too much, it's almost through. off. Now you just got the corner here, whatever the holdup is.
The damn shape of the cylinder.
Oh, you cutting sideways or something? You all the way through on the top. You went through there, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, back it up a little bit and we'll get the last one for it. Where's it at? Right there. Okay, you'll be on the top this time. It's through over there.
You got it?
Maybe, I don't know. Find out. It's only right there on the top. You broke it. You nicked my wood.
Well, the wood's fine.
That's my special piece of wood. Irreplaceable. Oh, you dodged the piss out of my wood. That's it. You're fired. I'm not going to let you do that no more.
I don't want to do it anymore.
Yeah, good. Good thing I went in an extra 1/4 inch deep, Steve.
Yeah.
Just think you had to cut that iron, how long it would be here. You'd be here all night. That's pretty light now.
Why don't we just plasma torch this off?
I don't know. Why didn't you use a plasma cutter?
Why? Why didn't we use the plasma cutter?
We had to get rid of some fins to get down the plasma.
Well, we're gonna get rid of the fins anyway, right?
I don't know. I don't use plasma cutters. So I don't know how they work.
Yeah, you do.
There's
Or
one
what
over
is
there.
that thing called?
You couldn't cut it because you have to get rid of all the fins to get down to the metal to do it. I don't know. I don't think it would work very well, but is your hand tired?
My arms are tired.
Baby, have to go home now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need some food.
Okay, we're going to call it for the night then. So let it all cool off, so we'll come back fresh tomorrow and butcher it some more. There you go.
Well, it's done.
Almost. We're getting there.
What do you mean?